Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add emojis to Outlook email. So do you want to add a little personality to your emails? I'd like you to know that emojis are a fun way to express tone and emotions. So in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to insert emojis into your mails. The first thing that I'd like you to do is to launch Outlook web app at outlook.live.com and sign into your Microsoft account to access your inbox. So once you're in your inbox, go ahead and click on the new mail button, which is at the top of the screen, top left corner of your inbox. So head over to the message bar and click there to compose a message. Now in the message body, click where you want to insert the emoji. Now at the top of the formatting bar, you're going to see this option that says insert. Now select insert, and from here you have this emoji icon. Select the emoji icon, and once you do that, the emoji panel will appear at the left. It includes categories like smileys, animals, food, objects, and more. So just browse or search for a specific emoji using the search box at the top of the panel. Click on any emoji to insert it directly into the message. All right, you can insert multiple emojis anywhere in your email, subject line, body, or even your signature. That's me just trying it. Another thing that you can do is click anywhere where you want the message to be, right click, and once you right click, you're going to see emoji. So select emoji and the same thing is going to happen. So just select the emoji and that's really going to appear. If you're using Windows 10 or 11, just press Windows plus period or Windows plus semicolon. This opens the Windows emoji keyboard, which also works in Outlook's message body. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search. Don't forget to always use emojis. Don't forget to always use emojis to put a smile on someone's face. Okay.